Hi, this is Gina, and this is my sister Cindy, and we work here at Kitchen Needs. So Cindy, I have a problem. I have 2 teenage boys at home, and they're always wanting something to drink. What can you do for me?
Well, we will show you how to make a delicious lime Ricky, one of my husband's favorites. So we'll fill our cup with ice. Pull it up. The more the merrier the ice, the better. And then we'll take 2 squirts of the Tarani syrup, grape, this is grape. And then we'll pour over our soda. And if you would, slice the lime and squeeze that over it.
Limes are always really good.
Oh.
Squeeze some of that in here.
And then add the lime right in there and stir.
All right. Are you gonna try this?
Tell us how good it is.
That is really yummy.